Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in the past 2 or 3 videos, you've likely heard me say, we got our windows replaced, and I think I did a couple of video shorts. I'm pretty sure I did. But for what these windows cost, I kind of want to show you in greater detail the work that they did in order for you to see the magnitude of the project. First and foremost, thank you for tapping into this video. This is just going to be random shots, random pics of them taking out the current windows and installing the new windows. Please enjoy the video. Thank you again for watching this video to the end. And again, if you are not one of my subscribers, please click your subscribe button, click your notification bell, so you too will be notified each time I upload. This is Freddie King's Home Decor.